Hi everyone, I'm introducing to you a Web 2.0 tool called Remember the Milk. It started way back in 2004 by two desperately disorganized people from Sydney, Australia, where they were just, fed up with constantly forgetting things, and yes, that included milk. So that's how they came up with the name Remember the Milk. And you can find this application on your computer by typing in www.rememberthemilk.com. And this application is just basically to help manage tasks so that you no longer have to write a to-do list. We sometimes write our to-do list on sticky notes or whiteboards if you're at work, or random on random scraps of paper, or sometimes even on your hand. Our lives are just so busy at times. So, in order to start this application, you must have cookies or JavaScript enabled on your computer. I have already signed up for a 15-day free trial, and after I did that, after I signed up, they sent me an email with a link to verify my email address. So let's see. I'll go ahead and log in. You can use this application wherever you are. That's a good thing about it. One of the good things about it. Once I log in, I'll create a task. Not quite able to use this yet for Windows by way of computer yet. And for Mac users, you have to have the 2.9 version or newer. So let's see, I created a task. Well, I already created one. I named it Business 110 Assignment. I'll create another one. Let's see. SEPs 400 research. Oh man, just making them a lot of typing errors. Just took my words away. Type it in again. SEPs 400 research paper, and I just click this blue button that says add task to add my task to my list. And then I just click on it one time. And then over here to the right, you'll see where it says do. And I can select, I can set a due date for the task. So let me click on that. And I'll just click on calendar picker and set the date for, let's say, set it for March 31st, and I click OK. And you can just keep on clicking on add fields to add additional fields. Next you could select how often the task should repeat. So I click on repeats, and I guess I'll set it for every week. Then you can, click on estimate if you want to set a time to estimate. If you want to set a time estimate to complete the task, just click on it. But for right now, I just say no estimate. And then you can give the task a tag. Being that I named it SEPs 400 research paper, let's see. Go down to tags. I'll set it as writing, because the research paper you're dealing with writing, so I'll know. Then it put writing beside it. You can also add a location or URL for the task if you wish as well. I'll just add one. The location is for school. Then URL, if you working on a research paper with a group, might be a specific website that you want to use for your research paper, so you can just, type it in there. I just make up something. Then you just add it. And let's see. And then if, like I stated, if it's like a group research paper, you can give the task to everyone else so they can know, remind them as well. And then you just click here for new contact. Then you just put their email address right there and click add. But I didn't put one in. And then they'll send it to them as well. So that's the good thing about it as well. And I think that's start. I'm gonna start this task list. We just set it for tomorrow. And that has everything you want to start this on this task tomorrow. The due date is March 31st, 2016. You want to be reminded every week. We didn't set an estimate. And then the list has right here. You can have these little. It has these subtitles over here. List under list like personal, school, work, and then these two I have set under school because it's school related. If it was work, maybe a test that you need to do, a big project, you type the task right here, and when you get to the field of the list field, you can just select work, put it under that subtitle so you can know. And another good thing about it, if you have a lot of tasks going down the list, you can just type, and you don't want to go through all of them. You can just type in a few letters. If you remember what they are, you can just type it in, like the ones that I have, the two that I have, SEPs and 400 and Business 110. I can just type in SEPs and then hit the magnifying glass to search. Then it'll come right up and go exactly to that task instead of having to go through all of the tasks on your list. And you can use this Web 2.0 tool in Firefox. You can use it in Chrome. You can use it in Safari. And most recently, They recently added Microsoft Edge and Internet Explorer. So, um, that showed you everything about this Web 2.0 tool. You can enjoy never missing out on a task on your to-do list again. So I'll just log out. I will sign out. And thank you for looking. See you next time. Thank you.